Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm here with a new tutorial video. So in today's video I'll be sharing a feature of Instagram that allows you to disable your activity status, which will help you so that another person could not see whether you are active or not and could not see your active now option. So let's start. First I'll be going in texting on my other account. Here I'll be sending any message, and now let's check, are we able to see the active now or not. Now I have got a text from the Grasping Grid. So here I can see the active now option. So here comes the most important part where I'll be changing some settings just to disable the option of activity status so that I'll not be able to see this active now option. So let's go to the other account and make some changes. So I'm on my Grasping Grid page. So first I'll be going to setting, then on the fifth option I'll be clicking on privacy and security. As you can see over here in activity status, there is a tick mark over here, but now I'll be disabling it, so there will be an untick and a blank box. So it means that the setting is saved and now no one can see my active status. So let's again send a text and check whether it works or not. So let's go to the other account. As you can see, now I am not able to see the active now option that appears here. So that means this setting works and you can use it if you want that no one should see whether you are online or not. So that's all for today. Do hit the bell icon if you want more videos, and do like, share, comment to my YouTube channel, that is Grasping Grid. Thanks for watching.